Hi friends, my name is Utsav and welcome to my channel. I am making this video because I am alone today. Today is my son's birthday. He turned 4 today. 4 साल का हो गया. इस वीडियो को बनाने का एक ही मकसद है because I have been alone for quite a number of years. स्कूल के बाद जब मैं कॉलेज में भर्ती हुआ 3 साल में अकेले रहा. उसके बाद मैं काम पे लगा. मैंने होटल मैनेजमेंट किया था. उसके बाद मैंने काफ़ी सारे होटलों में काम किया था. तो काफ़ी साल तक मैं अकेला रहा था. उसके बाद मेरी शादी हो गई थी तो आई गॉट अ लाइफ पार्टनर. बट आई वॉज अवे फ्रॉम माई पेरेंट्स फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम एंड स्टिल अवे. सो बीइंग अलोन इज अ वेरी टफ जॉब, बट इट कैन बी ओवरकम by many ways which I'm going to talk about today. Hope you like the video. Please keep watching and keep watch till the end. So here we start. Do not feel lonely. The entire universe is inside you. We make a lot of connections through Facebook or WhatsApp, but we know it very well that maximum of these connections are actually fake. You may chat with a boy or a girl for all day long without even properly eating and sleeping. But if you are in a real problem, there is a strong doubt that boy or girl will come to help you out or not. We may show the outside world that we are very happy and connected, but the truth is, deep within we are getting lonely day by day. So what is the solution? So before the solution, let us talk how you will know you are lonely. Being able to recognize the signs of loneliness is important in being able to overcome it. Signs that you may be struggling includes struggle with sleeping, not having anyone that you can confide in, you find you are getting sick more often, change in your weight, gaining or losing, you are on social media constantly, feeling like you cannot compare with others, feel like you are on the outside of the group, you cry easily. Now let us talk about how to deal with loneliness and feelings of isolation. How to be always happy without depending on a thing or a person, and how you can be happy with yourself even when you are completely alone. There are numerous things which you can do to feel happy. You are the architecture of your future. You get to go out and make new bonds. You have just got to go out and create them. Number 1. Meditate and pray. This is the best thing that would help you to keep yourself calm. Feeling lonely and depressed leads you to think a lot of negative thoughts, which gets accumulated and you tend to feel more unsettled. Number 2. Exercise. This is the magic bullet of all negative emotions. Exercise not only has physiological benefits, but it has countless psychological benefits too. It improves mood, reduces stress, improves self-esteem, increased self-satisfaction, increased feelings of energy, and improved body image. Number 3. Stay connected. Be a social butterfly. Talk to family, friends, relatives. Talk, communicate, converse, share. Make a list of the people you can be with when you are lonely. Give yourself a list of people to lean on when you feel like you do not have anyone to talk to. Number 4. Cultivate a hobby. Look for activities where you can be alone with other people. Establish a new hobby that puts you with like-minded people. Look for classes or groups that are welcoming to beginners. Hike or paint or learn photography. Learn to play a guitar. Find a way to move your body that you enjoy. Engage your body and engage your mind out of the loneliness. Swimming, football, window shopping, cycling, riding a bike, walking barefoot in sand or grass, all of these can help you pay attention to the sensations in your body. Number 5. Limit negative news. Instead of watching news 6 times a day, limit it and watch it only once. Limiting negative content from your life is a cure for any pessimistic feeling. Number 6. Listen to music. Music soothes your mind and soul. Tune on to your favorite music and simply enjoy. Number 7. Do what you love. This is the time for you to spend time with yourself. Instead of dwelling onto past or feeling bad that you are alone, simply do things which you always wanted to do. Cook, clean, take some rest, watch movies, read a book, write, dance, play any instrument. Self-care, organize your closet, write a blog, or do anything that you love. Create a list of activities you can do by yourself. Take yourself to dinner, a movie, the park, a museum, a place you have always wanted to go. Have a list of simple activities you enjoy or would be willing to try when you are lonely. A puzzle, playing games on your phone, painting. The goal is to distract from the acute loneliness in a healthy way. Number 8. Positive affirmations. Positive self-talk is the cure for every problem. Make positive affirmations such as I am calm, I am the best, my strength is greater than any struggle, I permit myself to be the best and stay safe. Number 9. Try giving back. Give back something to the community. Volunteer to play with cats at the local animal shelter, dog walking, serving meals at a homeless shelter, or visiting people in a nursing home. At last, I would like to say that it's your life. Make it worth living. Every individual is the best in their own unique ways. Finally, let me talk about the benefits of living alone. There are a few though. Enjoy personal space, freedom and privacy. Build your confidence. Live by your own rules without having to think about what anyone else thinks about it. You will learn new skills. Work from home more easily in peace and quiet. Do not clean up anyone else's mess. Living alone is an opportunity to get to know yourself and become the person you want to be in your own time and on your own schedule. Decorate as you like. Your space is your space. Build wealth and save money to benefit your personal financial picture. Keep your living cost down. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful.
वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. कमेंट करके प्लीज़ बताइए आप अगर अकेले होते हो तो आप लोग क्या करते हैं.